In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unshare a Google Calendar with someone. Perhaps you've shared your calendar with a colleague, a team, or a friend, and now you need to adjust those settings. This guide will provide you with all the steps you need to make your Google Calendar private or restrict access to certain individuals. Let's start by navigating to Google Calendar. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Google Calendar, or simply search for it in your browser. Once you're there, look at the left side of the screen where all your calendars are listed. Here you will see the calendar you want to unshare. If you can't see your list of calendars, you may need to click on the small menu icon to expand this section. Next, locate your specific calendar, which might be your personal calendar or a shared one that you oversee. To the right of the calendar title, you'll see three vertical dots, commonly known as the More Options menu. Click these dots to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings and Sharing. This option will lead you to a new page with all your calendar settings. Once you're in the settings page, scroll down until you find the section labelled Access Permissions for Events. Here you will have an option labelled Make Available to Public. Unchecking this box ensures that your calendar isn't visible to just anyone with a link. By doing this, you're taking a big step towards maintaining the privacy of your calendar. After adjusting the public access settings, continue scrolling down to find the Shared With section. This area displays a list of all the people who currently have access to your calendar. If you want to stop certain individuals from seeing your calendar, this is where you'll make those adjustments. Here, next to each person's name or email address, you'll see a small X. Clicking this X next to their information will remove that person's access to your calendar. It's as simple as that, and there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage who sees your Google Calendar. It's a great practice to occasionally review who has access to your calendars, ensuring that the right people can see your schedule and that your privacy is maintained. If problems arise or you're unsure about who currently has access, remember that you can always revisit these settings to double check or make additional changes in the future. Thanks for tuning in today. If this video helped you and you want more tips on managing your online tools, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content.